Hi, this is Sarah Lingra, and I would like to show you how to use the 2514 chords that are part of the Autumn Leaves chord and key finder set. The chord cards look like this. Over here, it shows you that it is a major 2514 chord progression. When you put the, whoops, When you put the card on the piano, you will see that there are these arrows that go on the bottom here. The yellow arrow is the key of the piece that you're playing, and then the 2, the 4, and the 5 are the second, the fourth, and the fifth note of the scale in the key of the yellow. When you place these on the piano, you're going to be reading the chords up from the bottom. So your 2 is the purple, the 5 is red, the 1 is yellow, and the 4 is blue. On the cards, it will show you that this is a 2 minor 7, this is a 5-7, a 1 major 7, and a 4 major 7. The lowercase on the 2 indicates that it's a minor key. All right, so the way they work, I'm going to start with key of C, and you can see here that I've put the C underneath the yellow arrow. That will make the D underneath the purple arrow, the F under blue, and the G under red. The way I play the chords is I simply play the keys underneath the numbers. So here's my 2 minor 7, my 5-7, my 1 major 7, and the 4 major 7. If I wanted to play the same chords in the key of E flat, I would slide the yellow arrow to E flat, and then I would play the first chord. There's the 2 minor 7 in the key of E flat, the 5-7 in the key of E flat, in this case it's a B flat 7, E flat major 7, A flat minor 7. You can use these key finder cards for either hand, so I'm going to play the B chords here with my right hand. These are so great because when you get accustomed to them, you can play all of these chords on every single key on the piano. Super duper easy. The cards here also show you the scale degree of the note in that particular chord. So if you look at the bottom over here with the purple, you have the root being the 1, and then over here you have the flat 3, there's the 5, and there's the flat 7. So that shows you how the chord is constructed. The second one, the root is over here. You have a root position major 7th up here, and then you have an inverted 4 major 7. These are so great. And when you start recognizing these patterns, so the 2 to the 5, the D minor to the G, the A minor to the D, it will give you the 1 if you see that pattern. So when you're looking at lead sheets for jazz music, it starts getting you to recognize those patterns when you see them in your music. The Autumn Leaves chord finder set actually has 2 different sets of the 2-5-1 in the major, 2-5-1 in the minor, and then some turnarounds, which is the 1-6-2-5. I hope this helps you understand how these chord cards work, and thank you for your time. Again, this is Sarah Lingra with Yellow Cat Publishing, and happy playing.